Only if you want only out border. There is some shading also there. If you want to say, for example, if you take, for example, if you want to know that identify for when you are presenting a table to the someone. So for example, if for example here, for example, if you take, there is no females, for example, if you take, if you concern, so I'm changing the table also here 25. Okay, then here it would be 15, the automatically 65 totally. Okay, for example, when you are presenting a data to someone, so you can identify zero, nothing but no female, nothing but no girls in the BAHEP. Then simple, you can identify people, you can insert, nothing but you can want to show that. So nothing but when you're presenting, you can able to see the particular point. Zero means there is no girl is in the BAHEP. For example, when there is some marks only, for example, if you take, if there is a something, when we want to show to someone something to someone, so that we can identify easily with different color, there is a shading. For example, if you take here, the both males are same, nothing but both boys are same in the BHEP BHP. So you can simple, you can see the blue color, whatever you need, for example, whatever color you need, you can take. So whatever you color, you can insert or you can shade, you can use it. This is how we can insert the tables and how we can use. So for example, if you want to use different colors, so in the design only you will get some of the, for example, if you click that button, you will get some design, say option. So before that, you cannot get the design option. For example, see here, see here, in the menu bar you cannot get the design. When you click that, if you want to design something about your table, you will click here. The symbol is over here. Click it, then you will get the design option. See design. If you click the design, so it will ask that some of the borders also. For example, if you use that this kind of things, you may use. For example, pencil color. If you want to use something about, for example, here you can use some borders also. For example, you can insert this one. For example, if you want to type something on this one, so you can insert tables within the border. For example, when you see some reports, so they will put this kind of things. And if you want to take a eraser to erase. So see, for example, if you want to erase this zero, simple, if you click it, whatever the selection is there, so it goes out. So it's not a good technique because whatever you want to erase, so sometimes the data will be collapsed. Nothing but data will be exit. So this is the option in the insert the tables. Okay. But the page layout is one of the menu bar, which is for that when you take into account, for example, the page, for example, here the margin. First, we need to know that what is the margin. For example, if you want to know that the themes, there are different types of themes also there. For example, when you are presenting some PPT, for example, I'm going to show in the new PPT, new word. So here, page layout. So in the page layout, you want to know that themes. For example, if you want different types of themes, so you can select. Then there is some colors. Which color would you like to take? Okay, so you can take different colors of techniques. Then if you take the font size, the fonts, there are different fonts will be there, nothing but the way of writing. Then if you take the margin, so what margin you would like to take? For example, when you are observing this thing, only you will get it. So what is margin? Nothing but when you do some margins, for example, when you write an exam also, you will get the margins. For example, here last custom setting, nothing but whatever the setting has done in the last one. So this is the last one. Don't bother about it. It's a normal. So is a top and left, bottom and left. For example, four borders are equally. Nothing but there's a 2.5 centimeters. Nothing but there's a border. For example, whatever you want to write. For example, I'm going to show that whether is it available. Yeah, see. So here the border setting is nothing but see the top level have used only less margin. For the left side, see this is a margin. So right side is a margin. Only this much of margin has left it. So that is a margin. For example, if you take this margin, left hand margin. So see from year to year only there is a type will be accept. See here this is a margin. For example, here whatever the mark is there. So this is a margin left indent and right indent. This is a margin. Okay. So it is a both equal. For example, if you want to type here above also here. For example, here this is a top margin. Okay, this is a top. So you cannot type here in the above of this line. You cannot type this one. In the border also you will get it. See the bottom margin. Nothing but up to here only we will get type it. For example, this is something. See here, I could not able to type. For example, if I want to enter the button, then it comes under the next page. For example, up to now only I may type. For example, we would like to know that what is the margin. We can able to see in the print also. The print preview. See, this is the margin. We cannot type. We cannot type. For example, up to here only we can able to type. This is the margin. For example, I would like to show you that. See, if you go to the print preview, then you will come to know that. See, from year to year, the first one we will get the space for when you are writing something. So here, see, this is a margin. See, this is a margin. Up to now, we can able to type it. This is called margin. So this is called also portrait page. Portrait page. For example, if you want to change that orientation, that is a page portrait. If you want to landscape, nothing but landscape will be like this. As I told you, this is the portrait. This is a landscape. This is a landscape size. So this is a size also there. This is a A4 letter size, legal paper, executive paper, A5 size, A5 long edge, A6, B5, 10, DL. There are different types of pages also there. Which one would you like to take? You can take. For example, ledger. So there are different types of size also there. So whatever you required only you can use. Most of the times we can use A4 and letter. A4 and letter. So this is the size of the A4 size is 21 cm to 29.7 cms. So letter format nothing but letter size is 21.59 into 27.94. So this is a some extent it will get long. Legal paper, there is executive paper. So there are different types of sizes also there. Then if you want to zoom it, you can zoom it. If you want to take 100% zoom, so here 100%, so you will get 100% here. See if you observe here 100%. If you want to increase this, nothing but if you want to zoom it, simply you can click the zoom here. Then you can get the plus symbol, zoom in. You will get the zoom in. Or zoom out. Then simple minus symbol, this is zoom out. Okay. So this is a if you take the 1 page, 2 page, 4th page, there is a print preview option. See here. For example, in the page layout, there is a columns. For example, how you can maintain the columns. For example, when you read the newspaper, there is certain columns will be there. For first column, second column, third column. So I hope if I have something, I will show you in the So I think, are you able to see, look at this Times of India paper?
Yes, sir.
See, there is a certain columns within the only one page. So there is certain columns in Telugu paper also, in English any paper, there will maintain the column wise. Okay. So how we can type that column wise? For example, see, this is a typed message. For example, whatever you want to send. Okay, it should be in the portrait. So you can maintain the column wise. For example, here you can type 2 columns. See, the 2 columns will be there. So or else I will show you that another one. This paper, for example, this paper. So it will convert into that 2 columns. 2 columns. See, this is a column 1 up to here. There is some break will be there. See, gap between the 2 things. Then if you want to take the 3 columns, you can take 3 columns within the 1 page. For example, when you publish something about, when you're giving some advertisement to someone, so they will publish in the column wise. Best example for the newspaper only. For example, if you take the more left or right, for example, if you use less for the left and right for the more. For example, if you take Telugu newspaper, some headings will be less, nothing but they will column is only one column is only for main headings. So remaining they will matter about the other related news. This is column wise. So more columns if you want to get 3 columns, 4 columns. So we'll get 5 or 6 columns. I think you are able to see this one. Like this, you will get it. It's not a proper one. For example, if I enter something about assignment, for example, if you take this is assignment question, so I may convert into the see the layout, then the columns, 3 columns. So like this, you will get it. 1 column, 2 column, 3 columns. So if the matter is full, then we can able to see easily. There is a column. If you want more also, you can click more column. So you can type letter or right side, left side. You can again you can click more number of columns. I think you are able to see this one. So here how many, there is a 10 column, there is a 10 columns will be there. 2 columns or 1 column. Get it. So this is about columns. Then watermark. What is watermark here? For example, this is a question statistics for economics. There's a question assignment question. So for example, I want to know that only 1 column. So here, so it should be the under the PG college. For example, this for PG college. So I want to like to know that. So which is prepared by me, for example. So I may use the custom watermark. Go to the watermark, then custom watermark. So if you want to insert the picture also, you will get picture. Then here it's a confidential. For example, if you take into account any confidential matter is there, if you put watermark is a confidential. For example, if you want your name also, if you want to remove that confidential, you can remove. So it gone. Custom watermark, pictures and scale. This watermark is on line or not. You will get. For example, here if I'm write my name, see the watermark is Dr. KK. For example, if you take into account, for example, here the PG college. Okay, so the shade, color shade. For example, if you want to take this color, ash color or yellow color, whatever color you need, you can take it to consider. If, for example, a blue color, if I click it, then it will comes blue color, PG college. Nothing shadow we can. This is a watermark. Then page colors. For example, if you want to use this color, the page of the color, it comes, for example, yellow. For example, I would like to convert the yellows. How we can convert yellows? The page color. So if I want to maintain the borders, sorry. So for example, I want to use the borders. So go to the borders within the page element layout, the borders. For example, there is a different colors or borders are available. See, for example, if you click the border, box color, shadow color, 3D or customs, or if you take page border, shading. So if you use that is a box or this none, so you will get, for example, here there are different colors or style format. You will use the different colors. For example, this one here. For example, here if you want to take the color automatic or black or red, for example, here I would like to use red color border. So here you will get red color border for this only type of data. So for example, if you use this is a page border, for example, the border, you may use red color. The size, you may use big size. You will get it. Yeah, see, shadow 3D, or if you want to change the color, if you want to convert to the black, the border. For design only, design purpose, we can use the borders. So if you want to use that this color, you can use whatever color you need, you can use. So here if you want to use a design, for example, if you want to use a different design, you will get a different design. For example, here 2 lines, so you will get like this, the different types of borders. Here there are different types of borders are available. So if you want to use this kind of border, you can use this kind of borders. So you can use the different colors or different borders also there. If you want to use this kind of border, you can use. So here, then if you want to use this kind of border, you can use. Shadows, you can use. You want to use like this, you can use only single line border. So you can use different colors of borders. So you can use different types of borders, you will get it. Yeah, this is about page layout. Then we go to the references. So what is the references? For example, when you write something about, you can insert the reference. For example, see, for example, statistics. For example, here I need to give that reference. For example, if you take into account, if you write some project work, for example, what I can do, I can say nothing. For example, here, for example, some topic, for example, statistics, for example. So if you are preparing, for example, here you can give that different types of table content. For example, add text. So you can give the insert footnotes also. For example, insert footnotes you may give. For example, here the statistics. So if you insert footnotes, you'll get it. Here this is a insert. For example, what is statistics? For example, if you want to define what is statistics, here you can define about the statistics. For example, if you want to type something about, for example, here there is no statistics. For example, if you want to type, for example, economic conditions, or if you take socio-economic labors in Hyderabad. For example, this is the title. For example, which you are going to present a seminar on this particular topic. For example, anybody can say that I think Srujan is there. Then I am going to say that this topic is going to present by the Srujan. Then here Srujan is going to present Srujan. Okay. For example, you may write here Srujan, BA student. Here BA economics student. I'm going to write a shortcut BA student. PG college. For example, if you write something about and your email ID, okay, email ID and your phone number, mobile number, for example. Okay, then here it will be take more length. So how you can do simple, you can give the footnotes. So here, whatever you want to know about the Srujan, simple, you can give Srujan. So simple, you can go to the reference. Simple, you can go the insert footnotes. Simple, you can put the insert the footnote. See here, one is there, or sometimes you can get you will put the star symbols also. So what is one here? You can simply again, for example, here there is a footnote here. So here you can type about the one that is a BA student and PG college, mail ID, something something. Okay, at the rate gmail.com. Okay, for example, there is some mistake. Okay, gmail.com and mobile number. Okay, something something. So here, for example, we typed about that one. There is a BA. For example, here when they are going to see that the when you send someone to, for example, if you send your project to someone, so how they can identify who is Srujan? Simple, they will study that socio-economic conditions of labor in Hyderabad. Simple, they will call Srujan. So simple, if you click that, if you put a cursor on one, see what will happen. Are you able to see?
Yes, sir.
Srujan, what you are able to see on one?
BA student PG college.
Mail ID and mobile number. See, when you
Yes,
click
sir.
it here, one only, it shows that what it is, nothing but what it is, nothing but Srujan. For example, if you type something about something, for example, here, if you want to type something, for example, sorry. For example, you want to know that what is the wants. Okay, what is wants? In English, simple, you can tell you what we can say that కోరికలు అంటాము. Okay, in our economics, in general wants, nothing but kavala. Okay, for example, when you put wants, so you want to define what is wants. Simple, you can give the insert, there's a footnotes. Simple here to wants. So here simple, you can see desire. Simple in our economics terms. So what is, somebody will read to the wants. So if you put insert, there is a footnote two. What is two? Simple, it means that wants not square here mathematically. See, wants two, nothing but wants meaning. So if you define nothing but definition, simple here, see desire. For example, when you read some books which is foreign books, most of the people they will cite, there is a their insert, there is a they will use the footnotes. When you read some papers or articles, we'll put those. Okay, so this is a insert citation also there. There is a one other mark. Yes. Now you don't need, when you want to do some projects only, it will more important for the reference. Then if you take next one is a mailing. So mailing is nothing but as whatever I told you that if you whatever the type, whatever material is there, if you want to send, to start the mail and merge. So that is a letter or label or dictionary, directory. So this is another one which we cannot use more probably. Simple, we can save the file, whatever the file is in, you can save, and when you send the mail, simple, you can attach the certain file to the mail. Then review. So in the review, we can able to see that is there any spelling mistakes. For example, if you check spelling mistakes, for example, it shows the Hyderabad. Okay. For example, if you write Hyderabad, for example, here, if I am writing here Hyderabad, we want to check what is that Srujan, because Srujan is not a name is added in the Google. Okay, so you can click Srujan. For example, if you take into account here something, we will write, for example, you can write only economics. It shows that any spelling mistakes are not simple. Srujan is only saying. For example, if you delete the Srujan, so then spelling mistake will be there. Student. Next. So in the above, we don't have any mistakes. I hope. Have you understood how we can check the spelling?
Yes, sir.
Then here only student. I shortcut I written ST DNT. That is student. So then I need to check student. Okay. Then if you check the spelling, what is the next one? College. I write only college shortcut. So if I'm correct it won't shows. See that the next spelling complete. So this is a mail is they will not check because the mail ID is different. Okay, the mobile number is not to be 10. Sometimes it may be 4, 6, or 7, 8 like this. Okay, there is no spelling mistakes. I hope you understood.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this kind of things only you can do. You can if you want to translate your material. So you can use the different types of translators from US to French or something. You can use. Okay. So this is not our subject, but you can use different types of techniques in the Word also. So there are other things also, the track changes. You will change the track changes. For example, whatever if you want to edit or review of this paper or the particular things, so you can use track changes. Then accept or reject. Okay. So if there is something is wrong, so simply you can put the reject. Okay, the document contains no comments or treated as what is the tracker charges, so tracker changes, nothing but. So here there is no comment because this is not a good one. So simple, I can reject it. So I will put it. For example, if you accept it, so the document contains no comments and tracker changes. It shows like this only. Same thing. The previous and next and compare a protect document. Nothing but if you want to do nothing but if you want to protect. So if somebody want to look at, for example, when you use your PC to someone or your laptop, so they will open your project also. They will copy your project also. Then meanwhile, what you can do, simple, you can protect your document, nothing but by locking. So simple, you can lock unprotected access and restricted access or more credentials. So if you take restricted access, so see here automatically configuring your computer for information rights management. Nothing but so this is the file which is going to lock. For example, somebody will open this file, so it cannot open certain circumstances. So when you have the some rights of this particular Windows only, it will take it to consider. Sometimes see, I think when you download your Aadhaar card or when you download your PAN card, so they will ask some what is called password. I hope you understood.
Yes, sir.
So this is called document protection. For example, when you send someone to someone, sorry, for example, when you send your Aadhaar card to someone, when you send a PDF file, so it won't open because you need certain passcode only, then it will display, or otherwise it cannot display. I think you hope understood.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that is the case only. We will say. Then view. Then the last one in the MS Word, there is a view. So there is a page layout and full screen reading. For example, if you take this a page layout, how much is saying 100%, we can say that. So if you take the full screen, you can get full screen. I think, are you able to look at full screen? For example, see here. So if you want to read this whole page, you will able to look at only this from this much to this much. Nothing but you cannot able to look at. For example, you have some side problems you cannot able to see. For example, if you don't have it, you can able to see. But if you want to read a full screen, so simply you can get a full screen. See, it comes full screen. Then here the web layout, for example, web option, nothing but how we can see that web. For example, see this is a web page. Simple, when you are opening that Google, simple, how we can able to see. This is a total we can able to see. I think when you are opening the Word, see how you can open the word. For example, this is you can able to see, but when you are looking at view, that is a web option. See, you can able to see all the web total. You can able to see. Then outlines. Say this is one other outlines. We cannot able to see that. Then view. Then if you want to drop, see there's how many columns are there? There's a 6 or 7 columns. That's why there's a drop. For example, see when somebody want to publish to something. For example, when you write something, if you want to publish in the different drafts, for example, final draft. For example, when you want to send about that our seminars or project or workshops, simple they will take the draft wise. So this is about the MS Office. I hope you understood all those people. Yes, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. We have the only 1 minute left. So today evening, I would like to take on SPSS because we don't have the time. I think you may have the exams on 8th tomorrow. What about other exams? Are we completed or still it is pending? They are pending.
Pending, sir, some exams.
So I think, do you have any class? Do you have any exam today after evening? Nothing in the evening.
Political science is there.
At what time?
Up to 6, sir given papers, sir. Now.
Okay, I think okay. After 6 o'clock, I may take the class on the SPSS. This is very important for you because compared with the introduction to computer, this is very important for the data analysis. So it may useful for PG or PG project work or MPhil or PhD, any other research purpose or after PhD or other purpose, any analysis purpose, you can use the software SPSS. Okay, data analyst also there is some of the post will be there, data analyst. So if you learn SPSS software, you will get a data analyst post also job. This is very good. So I will explain today. Okay, please try to understand all the students.
Okay.
Okay.